I did have a mother, said the baby bird. I know I did. I have to find her. I will. I will.
Trying to get the page.
Now the baby bird did not walk. He ran. Then he saw a car. Could that old thing be his mother? No, he could not. The baby bird did not stop. He ran on and on. Now he looked way, way down. He saw a boat. There she is, said the baby bird. That's the boat. But the boat did not stop. The boat went on. He looked way, way up. He saw a big plane. Here I am, Mother, he called out. But the plane did not stop. The plane went on. Just then, baby bird saw a big thing. This must be my mother. There she is, he said. There is my mother. Beep. He ran right up to it. Mother, Mother, here I am, Mother, he said to the big thing. Beep. But the big thing just said, snort. Oh, you are not my mother, said the baby bird. You are...
I didn't hear what you said first.
What?
I didn't understand what you said first.
You said snort. The big thing said snort. Did you hear that?
No.
You didn't hear the snort?
No.
Snort. Did you hear that?
Mhm.
Okay. Oh, you are not my mother, said the baby bird. You are a snort. I have to get out of here. Beep. But the baby bird could not get away. The snort went up. It went way, way up. And up, up, up went the baby bird. Uh-oh. Beep. But now where was the snort going? Oh, oh, oh. What is this snort going to do to me? Get me out of here. Beep. Just then, the snort came to a stop. Beep. Said the baby bird. I want to go home. I want my mother. Then something happened. The snort put that baby bird right back in the tree, and that baby bird was home. Just then, the mother bird came back to the tree. Do you know who I am? She said to her baby. Beep. Yes, I know who you are, said the baby bird. You are not a kitten. You are not a hen. You are not a dog. You are not a cow. You are not a boat or a plane or a snort. You are a bird, and you are my mother. The end. Found his mother. That's nice. And you're all
Thank
snuggled
you.
up with your mommy, and you're home.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Good night.
Good night.
Night. Love you.
I love you. I miss you.
I miss you.
I can count to what? Look how high I can count to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. 29, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 20.
Good job. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis.
What?
Good job, Gianna.
I can spell the whole alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, K, J, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. I tried it fast. A, B, C,
What
D, E, F, G.
happened? You don't remember it?
No. I don't remember the letter. A, B,
A,
C,
B,
D, E, F,
C, D, E, F, G, H.
I. Alright, I'm gonna do it faster. I'm gonna do it fast this time. G, I,